So hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you guys are doing well. So we are not starting a vlog today, but it is something a very different video which I'm going to start with this series. Maybe it will take some time for me to adjust, but yeah, we'll surely do that. So I have tested dozens of foundations. I have tried lots and lots of companies, and it is very difficult to find that perfect foundation for the Indian skin types. So today I am going to talk about the Mars Ultra Definition Foundation, which they claim to be high coverage and suitable for all the Indian skin types. So I hope you guys love this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, let's start the video. So what is Mars Foundation? I am seeing it everywhere on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, and all the social media platforms. Is it really worth it? Let's find all the answers to your questions in this YouTube video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So Mars is claiming that they have made this foundation ultra wear for all the Indian skin types, which is very difficult to claim. So it means whether you have an oily skin, whether you have dry skin, whether you have combination skin, this foundation works for all the Indian skin types. So here is what makes Mars different from all other foundations. First is hydrating formula, which is very helpful for the dry skins and which allows the foundation to stay for the longer time. The second is matte and dewy finish. Matte and dewy finish are the two different finishes. You might be thinking like there are two different things in one foundation, but yes, they have made this foundation where you can adjust it for the matte finish also and for the dewy finish also. The third is long lasting, and the most important thing is lightweight. As you all have seen, there are lots of companies which make very thick foundations and which is very difficult for them to blend, and it turns cakey eventually after some period of time. So this foundation is breathable and very lightweight, so that it is not itchy, it is not cakey, and you can wear it whole day. So let's talk about the shades. So Mars has launched different shades which actually work on all different skin types for all the Indian skin tones. So whether you have dry skin, whether you have oily skin, whether you have combination skin, this foundation fits perfectly for your skin type. So make sure that you find the perfect shade that fits to your skin type and to your skin shade. If you guys don't have any idea about the skin shades or the skin types, do let me know in the comment section so I can make a video about it and educate you all for your skin type. So I'll give a short brief on what the skin shades and how the foundation works on different skin shades. As you guys can see this particular chart on the screen, which shows that on the different skin types how the foundation varies. So I would like to suggest that you go and shop your skin shade from the offline stores only, because shopping it online you may get some different shade and a few of the companies don't accept it back, so it does not make any sense of wasting your money. So make sure you go to any offline store and buy it from there itself. So I have been testing 4 shades from this foundation range, which is for the fair I use 0305, and for the medium skin tones I use 5.5, 6.5, and for the dusky skin tones I use 7 and 8. So I can mix the skin shades according to my client's skin tone. So after using it for a while now, I have been using this since 3 to 4 months. After the makeup, they have written the review that the makeup lasted long for 12 hours, 10 hours and 8 hours also. So this shows that this foundation is really capable for the Indian skin tones and for such harsh weathers also. So yes, you can give it a try if you want. I have noticed is people who have oily skin, which have oily T-zones on their face, I would recommend you to use loose powders or compact powders to just lock in the foundation so that it can run for a longer period of time. For the dry skin types, I would recommend you prep the skin properly with moisturizers and a good primer. Right guys, so I'm ending this video right here, and I hope you guys have got all the knowledge about the newly launched Mars Ultra Definition Foundation, and this video really feels helpful for you to understand what the range of foundation Mars is giving and trust me, it is super pocket friendly as it comes just under 500 rupees. Comment down your favorite part, or if you have used this foundation, if you have been using this foundation, what are your honest reviews? I would like to know them in the comment section. And if you want more such videos, more such review content, do mention it on what product do you want. I would definitely give it a try, and make sure that I provide the best education to all my viewers. So share this video with your friends, your loved ones, and help them to find the perfect foundation for their skin type. So this is Kevin Lopez signing off. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.